4 products I've bought recently that have made me more productive. I believe that any one of these or all of them will make you more productive and help you make more money, because they've been doing that for me. First of all, we got the Meta Quest Pro. This has really helped me with my productivity. I put this on my face and I link it to my computer, and I use this app called Immersed. And basically, it's like I'm in a virtual world. I can put up as many screens as I want. I can make it as big as I need to. Pause. The main reason that helps me is because it allows me to focus better. I know a lot of you guys have issues getting distracted. Your phone, you're checking your phone, you're doing shit. You're not doing that when your head is in the computer. So when I really need to like put in some deep work and work on something that I know is going to be cognitively demanding, and I need to have uninterrupted focus for a certain amount of time, I strap this shit to my face. It feels like I'm in the laptop. I'm coming out with a new program. It's going to be free. I wanted to make this program better than everyone's paid stuff that you would pay people for. I want to make it better to help you guys make more money and be more successful. It's going to be 100% free, but I want it to be super good. When I put together the content, I slapped this shit on my fucking face and worked on it. And I was way more focused. And you can't get distracted when your fucking head's in the computer. The app is called Immersed. Slap this shit on your fucking head and when you need to get the work. And it's been super helpful for me. The next one is the Desk Bike. So it's the Desk Bike, or Dike. That's what we've been calling it. You know what I'm saying? So when I need to, I work on this sometimes. So I'll put it on my balcony, one of my balconies. I got like fucking 5 balconies in this apartment. It's crazy. I'll put it on one of the balconies and I'll start working. So this way it's like, just puts me in a different mood. I don't use this and the Quest at the same time. I switch it up. But what is cool is I burn calories at the same time. So get you a Dike. It's about $500, but it's super dope, right? Because I burn calories and I'm working out. Definitely a cool way to work. The next product I have is a standing desk. You may have noticed a trend. One thing I've been doing recently is I'll work in different spots. I'll work in one spot for an hour, then I'll work somewhere else. Because sometimes I just get bored staying in the same spot, but switching up the environment makes it better. So sometimes I'll grab the Dike. Sometimes I'll strap the fucking Meta Quest on my head, or sometimes I just go raw, just me on the desk. What I do is, I can sit or stand with this, but I like to stand because I feel like I'm more attentive to what I'm doing and I have more energy. This is a good standing desk, and I have all my monitors and stuff hooked up to it. I really like this a lot. Try a standing desk. Try to work standing sometimes. And I switch it up, and it's kind of cool because I can program the different heights in there. This is new. So y'all see me with a treadmill by my standing desk, but I got this one because this one folds. So when I don't want to use it, it's not in the way, and I can put my chair there and I can just fold it up. You can tuck it away. It's small. It really does fold. Fold up. It really works well. I actually learned this from Ty Lopez, man. My boy Ty, like back in the day, like we're talking like 2015. Ty was working on a treadmill desk, and I was like, all right, I like this idea. You can burn calories and work. So when I have to do light tasks, nothing I need to work real hard on, then I'll do that and walk. This way I burn calories, stay a little bit more focused, and I can just put this up to my standing desk or just fold it up when I'm not using it. It's super dope. I like it a lot. If I was to rank these in order, standing desk would be the most important. Just standing up will change the environment. Number 2, Meta Quest Pro. I'm telling you, man, that Immersed app, there's a little bit of lag, but that just means I gotta concentrate more. I gotta be more focused. This shit ain't gonna save Facebook. I like it, but I know it's just a unique use case. Then we got the Dike. I noticed I can work on more cognitively demanding things when I'm on this than I can on the walking treadmill. On the treadmill desk, it's got to be light work. But this, I can actually work on something that takes more concentration because I don't have to fucking balance myself. And then the treadmill, probably the last one. Back in the days, this would have been higher, but I think these other products have blown past it. These 4 products have definitely improved my productivity. I'm putting up record numbers every month, making moves, getting money. And I think this stuff will help you as well.